Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can check it out if someone muted you on Messenger or not. I will show you how you can do it, but it is not possible to check it out until you go to their phone and go in their chats and check it out. Like you can simply do is send a message, or like you can see if it is delivered and the person is not responding until he can see or she can see that message, or it's mean like they didn't want to talk to you. Or like you can see over here, if you by any chance you get to see the option over here on their phones, like mute, or like the cross on their your beside your name title, as you can see over here, the bell icon over here. So as you can see, muted. So this person is muted. Like I have to show you that this person is muted. Like you can see over here the second option called unmute. This it's mean like it's muted. So that's how you can check it out, and that's it. That's how you can do it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.